who requested this song Kubobonke Othixo, right? So I will use F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. So if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. This will help our channel to grow. So if you're watching this from TikTok or Facebook, go to my YouTube channel and check full tutorial, right? In G sharp and F sharp and C sharp. So it starts right here. This one. It's like I will first break it down in G sharp. It's like alright. Alright. Then you go here. Just that I don't know the lyrics well, So yeah, it's like it says 6, 7, then 1, and it's like 6, 7, 1, 6, then 7. It's A flat, right? Oh, 1, yeah. First inversion, Oh, 4, 1, then 1, and then you go to second inversion 1. And then 2, 3, alright? Then 4, 3, then 1, then you say 5, 3, 2, 1, then 1, 4, 1, then 1, then you say you will go to 4, then go to 6 again, then go to 2, then go to 1, then go to 5, then you close it with 1, right? So yeah, I don't want to waste time on one song because of like it's kinda too long, right? So this is how it goes, so I will before you know, I will play it and I will go to F sharp after, so it says alright. Then yeah, I hope you can see it, alright. So yeah, then you go here, then you go here, then you come here, you see, then you go here, then go here, then you close it. So before no waste of time, let's go to F sharp, right? So I won't take long on F sharp, right? So in F sharp, it starts right here. It's like alright. This is F sharp, right? And this one, I hope you can see it, yeah, that is how it goes in F sharp. So Kubobonke Othixo, yeah. So yeah, like very simple. Kubobonke can see it, ne? This one, and then go to this one, ne? This one, then go to this one, then you close it. So yeah, this is how it goes in F sharp. So in C sharp, that's right here. This one, like this one, ne? Alright. Alright. Yeah. This one. Then you close it. So yeah, this is how it goes, like it has a lot of chords, this song, guys, right? Then you say it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you. May God bless you.